Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If your Mac is getting hot, loud, or slow down, you are not alone. Overheating is a common issue, especially after Mac OS update or during instant talk like video editing, gaming, or even long Zoom calls. But don't worry, in today's video I'll walk you through 5 effective ways to fix your MacBook overheating and keep it cool down and running smoothly. Let's get started. Solution 1. Close unused app and browser tabs. Running too many apps or browser tabs can overload your CPU and cause your Mac to heat up. Here's what to do. Click on the Spotlight search icon. Tap and open Activity Monitor. Go to the CPU tab. Look for app using high CPU. Select those heavy apps and click the X button in the top left corner to quit them. Apps like Google Chrome, Zoom, and Photoshop are known to use a lot of system resources. If you are not using them, close them to reduce the load and temperature. Solution 2. Restart your Mac. Sometimes all your Mac needs is a quick reboot to cool things down. Click the Apple menu at the top left corner. Then choose Restart. Confirm by clicking Restart again. Let your Mac fully reboot before you start working again. This clears out memory, refreshes system process, and often fixes minor heat issue instantly. Solution 3. Update your macOS. Running outdated macOS software can load to perform bugs, including overheating. To check for updates, open System Settings. Click on General. Then click on Software Update. If an update is available, click Update Now. Restart your Mac once the update is complete. Solution 4. Disable unnecessary startup apps. Some apps start running in the background as soon as your Mac boots, even if you never open them. To remove unnecessary login items, open the Settings app. Go to General. Then click on Login Item and Extensions. Review the list of apps under Open at Login. Select any app you don't need and click on the minus button to remove them. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.